Germany has one of the highest tax rates in the world, which means if you earned around 80,000 euros per year, which sounds actually a lot, your combined income tax and social contributions could easily reach 40 to 45%. Yes. Which also means that nearly half of your income just disappears before even reaching your bank account. So naturally, many expats would ask, is it even possible to build serious wealth in Germany? Well, the short answer is yes. But the key here is to understand how the German taxation actually works and the system works, and to make it work in your favor and in your advantage. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 very practical strategies which you can easily follow that actually works to build wealth in Germany. And I'm speaking that with personal experience. How to legally reduce your taxes on your investments, how Germans structure their ETF portfolios, why real estate could be a really powerful investment tool, and a simple wealth building strategy with real numbers. Yes. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Abhishek, but not a financial advisor, and I make a lot of videos on how to start your investment journey, or if you already have started, then how to take it to the next level. So a lot of videos are for expats in Germany, but also for all the investors throughout the world. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
So first we need to understand something important. While income taxes in Germany are very high, investment taxes are actually much lower. Now I know this sounds quite simple. Like, Abhi, we know this, that we have up to 45% of taxation on our incomes, but we have only 26 to 27% of taxes on capital gains. So you're not telling us something new. Yes, but despite of this information, we still make a mistake of not investing. So let me give you a clarity based on some real examples, okay? So capital gains from stocks and ETFs are taxed at 25% plus solidarity surcharge, right? Which brings the effective rate to about 26.375%. Compare that to now income tax, which can go up to 45%. So this is clear. This we all know. So the first big wealth strategy in Germany is simple. Shift as much income as possible from salary to investments. A rule of thumb, I would say at least 10% of your income. But now you can ask, Abhi, how does that make any difference? So let me explain you with some real numbers. Let's say you invest 500 euros per month into ETFs, okay? A global market index fund. That's it. Nothing else. No individual stocks, simple a global market index fund. Now, if your portfolio grew by only 7% per year, which is, to be honest, quite a conservative average, and I will show you why. So as you can see in this picture, the MSCI World gave a compounded annual growth rate of 10.45% in the last 47 years. And as you can see, since 1980, it has only gone up. So 7% is quite conservative, but for a conservative approach and to give you guys a real number, let's still take 7% per year, okay? So after 25 years, you will have around 379,000 euros or dollars invested, and out of which your investment would be only 150k. That means you literally doubled your money. And now, if we just take 10 years, not even 25 years, and we take 10%, yeah, just because 7% was quite conservative, and we calculate, we will see that we made 95,000 euros or dollars, and our investment amount was 60,000 euros or dollars only. So that's the magic of compounding. And that's what I mean when I say the taxes on those gains would be far lower than your salary taxes. So that's why investing is critical if you want to build wealth in Germany, okay? Now, one thing many expats don't realize is that Germany offers a tax-free capital gains allowance. Yes, this is called the Sparer Pauschbetrag, which is currently 1,000 euros per year tax-free for individuals and 2,000 euros per year for couples, married couples. This means you can earn dividends or capital gains up to that amount without paying any taxes. Many investors structure their portfolios to harvest these gains every year, and you can do that as well. So for example, what I mean by that is, let's say if your ETF portfolio produced 1,000 euros in dividends annually, that income can be completely tax-free. Or on the other hand, if you're not doing dividend investing, then what you could do is that you could simply book your profit from any stock, because you know that 1,000 euro or 2,000 euro would be completely tax-free income. So you could use that opportunity. Yeah, Germany provides that. And this is for just a year. And if you take it for 10 years, you can see that this makes a significant difference to your total return. Now, another strategy many German investors use is choosing accumulating ETFs instead of distributing ETFs. And here's why. A distributing ETF pays dividends directly to your account, but an accumulating ETF automatically reinvests those dividends inside that fund. This has two advantages, guys. First, it reduces the amount of taxable income each year, and second, your dividends are automatically reinvested, which increases the power of compound growth. Let me explain you with an example. If you invested 1,000 euro per month into an accumulating ETFs for 30 years at a 7% return, again, which is quite conservative, your portfolio would grow to roughly 1.2 million euros. Yes. And this is why ETFs are one of the most popular investment vehicles in Germany, and especially accumulating ETF. Now comes the real estate investing. This is another tool which we could use to build wealth in Germany. So the real estate investing in Germany has a very powerful tax advantage, which is if you hold an investment property, this is the keyword, for more than 10 years, and a self-use property where you are living yourself with your family for more than 2 years, the capital gains from selling those properties can be completely tax-free. Yes. So let's look at an example. Imagine you buy an apartment for 350k. After 12 years, the value increased to 500k. That means 150,000 euros pure profit, no taxes. In many countries, you would have to pay 20 to 30% capital gains tax on that profit as well. But in Germany, if you held a property for more than 2 years and 10 years for a self-used and an investment property respectively, the gains can be completely tax-free, guys. So I recommend, which is not a financial advice, but I recommend that this asset class, this particular tool is really efficient to build a long-term wealth in Germany. And many investors in Germany can use this real estate as a long-term wealth strategy. Now let's combine these strategies into a realistic wealth building scenario. Imagine an expat living in Germany from India, Pakistan, or from any part of the world who invest 800 euros per month into ETFs, assuming a 7% annual return again. After 25 years, their portfolio could grow to roughly 650k. If they increase their investment to 1,200 euros per month, the portfolio could reach almost 1 million. And then you could use a part of this for your real estate investment as well, because this is quite important to know that you are leveraging banks' money for investing into real estate. So the return there could be even 50%. Yes, it sounds big, but it's realistic because you're just investing, let's say, the Nebenkosten, which is around 10% maximum. So around 20k on a 200k property, but the rest 180k is paid by the bank and your tenants. So you're leveraging that 180k to get real returns. So your return will be calculated on only 20k, not on complete 200k. And that's why the ROI becomes quite dramatic. So this shows that even in a high tax country like Germany, consistent investing and proper strategy can still produce significant wealth. The biggest mistake people make is simply waiting too long to start investing, guys. So if you look at many financially successful investors in Germany, their strategy is actually quite simple. Step 1, invest consistently in global ETFs or saving money to buy a real estate, use accumulating ETFs to maximize compounding, take advantage of tax-free allowances, and use long-term real estate investments for tax-free gains, and diversify your portfolio. This combination allows many investors to build significant wealth despite high income taxes, guys. And if you're looking for a well-building strategy in Germany as an expat, then you can always leave a comment in the comment section down below and I will answer your question, and you can join our patrons community for such guidance.
So one of the most powerful strategies, what we discussed in this video to build serious wealth while living in Germany, was to invest in accumulating ETFs. But here's a serious problem. Many YouTubers or many people say that investing in accumulating ETFs in Germany is kind of bad because of something called Sparer Pauschbetrag. Well, that's half the truth. But in this particular video, I have explained everything with real numbers clearly to make it easier for you. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in this video right here. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and ciao.